and second is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 1 upon 2 into a plus b plus c into a minus b the whole square plus b minus c the whole square plus c minus a the whole square. This formula is difficult, but you will have to learn. Okay, so let's start. Centroid is given as what? 0 0. Okay, therefore 0 equals to a plus b plus c upon 3, right? This is for x. Okay, because x coordinate is 0. Even for y it will be the same, because it's the numbers are same only. So a plus b plus c upon 3 equals to 0. Therefore a plus b plus c equals to 0. Now put this in the formula number 2. What will you get? See this, left hand side as it is and right hand side 1 upon 2 into a plus b plus c into all this. But a plus b plus c is 0. So right hand side becomes 0 totally. So the formula becomes what now? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 0. So 3abc on the other side. So it becomes a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. That's the required answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, cubes up to 30, cubes up to 15 and squares up to 30 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.